Oh, it's mega, mate. Even the noise off it, look.
Right fellas, welcome back to a brand new video. I've came to see Brian and his
ESCORT MAXI
ESCORT MAXI kit car. This isn't actually fully finished yet, is it? You're still kind of getting some niggles out of it?
Trying to get the handling a bit better.
So what are you working on at the minute, the handling?
It's in Andrews, so it's just a wee bit different. It's when you take it, it doesn't feel as if the caster angle's right. There's no centre in the steering wheel again, so Andrew's got to have a look at it.
Right.
And Andrew's just put cameras in it, an aim camera and a reversing camera in it for us, because it's a nightmare to reverse, no?
So this was originally RS2000 rally car.
RS2000 gravel forest car.
Right. When did you buy the car?
2017-18.
And you've been building it ever since?
This is its third creation.
It's its third creation, is it?
Aye, because I had a stupid body kit on it and I took it off and I painted it white and I did a paint reaction. I thought I'd paint it again, but I had a paint reaction, but inside it was painted with household gloss.
Really?
So it was going all yellow.
Right. Oil-based paint.
So I stripped all the inside of it, and then I've always wanted an ESCORT MAXI kit car. Since Gwyndaff Evans' car, the silver response car, I thought I'd really like one of them. I thought about 1 year ago when I had RS2004 before, but nah, this was right.
Aye.
This was right.
So we'll start the front, mate, we'll work our way to the back if we can. So, obviously you've got the big light put on, I'm guessing all these work, do they?
Yeah, they're fully functional LEDs.
LED headlights?
Yeah.
Is the kit fiberglass?
Bumpers fiberglass, the wings are Kevlar, back quarters are fiberglass, back bumpers fiberglass, the bonnet and the tailgate's fiberglass, carbon fibre roof and carbon fibre roof scoop.
What a wicked looking thing as well, absolutely wicked looking thing. So you've got the automotive wheels on?
Yeah, I've actually got a couple of sets of them, Adam.
What, the wheels?
Yeah, I've got 1882s. I was going to put them on, I brought them down ways to put them on, but couldn't be bothered there.
So you've made your own splash guards as well, haven't you, inside? So that's what's in this, isn't it? It's a 1.6.
Yeah, 1.6 EcoBoost.
EcoBoost engine out of a Fiesta ST.
Yeah, mated to I was looking for a sequential, right?
GEARBOX.
Yeah, but I phoned a couple of companies and they couldn't give me the torque figures.
What the gearbox could
for
handle?
The gearbox, because it's front wheel drive. But Andrew had spoke to Momentum Motorsport.
Right.
So they had done the first, that's a Honda 10J. That's a Honda 10J Quaife 6-speed sequential with a sandwich plate to fit the EcoBoost engine.
Right.
It's on an AIM dash, MPDM, and an SCS Delta ECU. So you can flat shift it and that, no?
Right,
so
nice.
You can.
And you've also moved your full strut tops, haven't you?
Strut tops.
You've moved them out.
65mm each corner.
65mm out each corner and the back as well?
And the back, yeah.
To make for the wider.
I've not moved the strut tops, we've just made an independent rear axle for it. Scott McMinn, he done a lot of the fabrication. I went down to Scott's and done the fabrication, helped him weigh things down there when we were building it, no? And it was things, it didn't go to Scott's to get all that. It was just, see, we talking to Scott and just running different things by each other and what works. So that's what we done, no?
Mate, what a thing, what a thing.
So it's a tubular cross member. The car's fully rose jointed, eh? We made that cross member and wishbones. We actually had it on a Mark 5 manual rack, but it was
steering rack.
It was horrendous.
Right.
So it was. So it was down at Andrews again, and we couldn't get a quick rack for a Mark 5 manual. So we've got a Mark 2 Quaife quick rack on it.
Mark 2 Escort.
Yeah.
Steering rack, quick rack. And what's been done to the engine? Has it been apart?
No, we've never had an issue with the engines, right? And I'd initially thought with the RS2000 engine to forge it, but if you forge it and you blow it up,
it's big money.
Big money. Buy one of these engines. I've actually bought 13 of these lately, 13 salvage cars, and I can get an engine. no bother.
How much is it? How much do the engines go for now?
I'm selling engines the new. If anybody wants engines, I'm selling them for 1,500 quid.
Oh yeah.
That's for everything. You'll get a full engine, gearbox,
harness and everything.
all ancillaries on it.
Aye. 1,500 quid.
With everything, no.
So this is all standard internals, standard
All
pistons,
standard,
cranks,
standard,
block,
yeah.
everything.
Yeah.
It's 350 brake horsepower. Is that kind of the maximum for them, or can you turn them up a little bit more? Or
Well, it's got bigger injectors. That's about all on a Gen V inlet manifold, a tubular exhaust manifold. But no, about 350's no bad for one. That's stage 3, you know. You can go a bit more, but I don't really care about the reliability, you know.
Can we have a look inside?
Aye.
So perspex windows where you slide on. You were saying you're going to change these because you get a bit hot?
Going to change
so you're going to
take
put like
the air and put a scoop on it, and a scoop to divert the air in, eh?
Force the air in. Can I sit in?
Aye, jump in.
So what you got in here? Is that your spotlights for the front?
Spotlights, anti-lag, 2-map boost control, just rear light, heater control, heated screen, start stop. That's your controller for your power steering. That's a Corsa B.
Oh right, like how you can have it heavy or like heavier, soft or heavy. You've got a tilt and pedal box on there.
Tilt and 600 series pedal box.
Is this for your brakes? Your brake bias?
Brake bias, yeah. I was going to go with a lesser make, but
what, pedal box?
Yeah, but for the work I put into it, I couldn't go with a cheaper pedal box, no.
So you're going with a tilt. I mean, did you see that pedal box was like 1,800 quid?
That's like 1,800 quid.
Then you've got obviously your gear, sequential gear lever.
Hydro
handbrake.
Aye.
Some nice Cobra seats.
A wee aim camera, eh?
Aye.
Aim action camera.
What's that tank under there?
That's scoosher, window scoosers.
A screen wash?
Screen wash, yeah. Yeah, that's just screen wash. You see, you know, that's tucked under here, eh? PDM and that's under here, eh?
What a thing, what a thing. There's obviously carbon roof there, you can see from the inside.
You can see through it, eh? That's it, yeah.
Oh, right, aye, can I? So that's just daylight through there?
Yeah, it's just a carbon weave, eh?
No way.
So that is.
So you've got the cage as well, obviously it's stiff in the shadow.
Yeah, it's 8-point triangulated cage, eh? Plumbed in fire extinguishers, etc. No?
Mate, what a thing. We'll have to go out and can we go for driving it?
Aye.
Massive that bonnet with the light pod there.
What did you say?
It looks massive, the bonnet with the light pod on.
Aye, it's nothing in it.
So it's that high boost you put on?
Sure, that's just that's anti-lag.
So you've got anti-lag on there?
Yeah, it's got a mild anti-lag on the map, though.
Right. Six-speed gearbox?
6-speed sequential, yeah.
How much was the gearbox?
12 grand fitting.
12 grand fitting?
I've been in the Andrews done that, they've done a full wire one. Aim dash, aim PPM.
The standard dashboard, what you've got?
That's a Mark 5 dashboard.
It's just a standard front dashboard, not like a fiberglass or anything, is it?
No, it's just standard.
So you're going to use this on track eventually, aren't you? That's your plans with it?
That's the plans for it, is to
get the geometry all set up and get it on track.
Handle a bit better and get it on the track, no? So it is. It's a totally different build, but it stands out like a sore thumb, doesn't it?
It's so cool, it's different as well. Like there's nothing else like this about, is there?
No.
There's absolutely nothing like this about.
Turns heads everywhere, no?
I bet. Do you use it around the doors much or just pop about in it?
Not really. I not really been out there. I've only done about, I would say about 200 miles.
Damn it.
I was invited to a photo shoot with a photographer up in Caponi. I went to the photo shoot and I brought it back to Andrew.
That's all you've done?
It's all done.
Brian, thanks so much for taking us out in this car, honestly mate. Thank you so much.
No problem, Adam. It's a pleasure having you, man. It's just, you know, I've built a lot of things that could have
Oh, by the way, it's got a reversing camera. How cool is that?
Got a lot of things, quite a lot of things that could have probably put into magazines and things, but that's how special, no?
Aye. Have you got Instagram or anything where people can follow along? No?
Nah, I don't really do much with social media.
Aye.
Marcus does it. He
Your son?
Aye, he does. We started buying and breaking some Fiestas and things like that. He's been doing things with that now.
Well, I'll leave a link to Brian's son's Instagram market, so you can check that out if you want to see more of the cars and see what
it's
they're
more
doing.
on TikTok. I think it's Rally Videos 9 or something. That is. I'm sure it is something like that. No.
I'll leave a link.
He's a big windy licker, isn't he?
But thanks for watching, fellas. I'll catch you on the next video, and thanks to Brian for taking us out in the car.
Thank you very much, Adam.
Cheers fellas.
Buddy.
Cheers, mate. Spot on, mate.